Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a two line in one cell in Excel. So let's start the video guys. Okay, so here we are. So just first in Excel, just select that cell where you want to make the two line. Okay, just keep the cursor or select that like this. Now write your first line. Okay, and if you hit enter here, so it will be shift to the next cell. Okay, so after you write your first line, then we need to hold your alt key. Okay, hit the alt and hold it, and now enter the that enter button, and now you can write your zone. Okay, so this is my second line. You can also double click or you can drag, maximize this column size like this. Okay, and here you can change that align. Okay, so you can also make it align left or right. Okay, and you can keep as a center. So let me recap first you need to write your first line or letter. Okay, now hit the alt key and hold it on your keyboard and hit the enter. Now just release all and just write second line. Okay, and hit the enter. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.